Welcome back mga ka-daily. Today is September 24th, 3:30 na ng hapon. And saan tayo punta, Pacey?
The airport.
Yun, punta daw kami airport. Reason for that is babalik na si Mama Pressy. Okay. And for the first time, kasama niya si Papa P. Papa Memo. Papa P. First time niya sa Canada. So, pipick upin natin sila ngayon. They took Japan Airline to Narita and then Air Canada from Narita to Toronto. So, pick upin lang natin si Ate Benny and then we're gonna head straight to the airport kasi medyo maaga yung flight nila. They should be landing anytime soon. So, we'll see you guys later. Yan, so nasa airport na tayo. Just waiting for nasa washroom siya. Then we're gonna take the train to Terminal 1. They're late. They're running late. They need to punch in. Hi.
We're on the train.
Yeah, we're on the train.
That's exactly what I said.
Yeah, we'll go into the next one. When the door closes, PC, you can press the button.
It's from.
Okay, go ahead, buddy. What are you doing there?
I'm scared that my riding.
And nandito na tayo sa Terminal 1 arrivals. So, YYZ is the designator code of Toronto. Yeah. Welcome to Toronto Pearson, guys. And let's go take a look at the screen. But according to Flight Radar, naka-land na sila. So, and they're early. They're supposed to arrive at 4:40 and they landed already. So, tingnan natin ang Narita. Haneda, Tokyo, magkasunod ng Narita pati Haneda. So, where's that flight? AC-10. Ayun, 1640. And that's the flight right there. Landed. Yeah, landed now. Landed, yeah. Yeah, so we're just waiting here. Mga kids bumibili na Subway. So siguro before they clear the immigration, another 30 to 40 minutes pa. Grab their luggage and stuff. So sabang naghihintay tayo, Starbucks muna makapag-kape dahil umuulan ngayon and malamig.
Stop, do not enter. This is a restricted area. Please proceed to the information counter by door C to acquire further assistance. Attendete false document.
I saw Mama pressing already. Right there. Paige, come here.
Okay.
Good morning.
Where's mommy?
Ayun.
Sulit ba pag-aantayin pa? Why your hair short? Oh, may ibang na agad si Momo. Oh,
Punta ka na na, Papa.
Hindi ako tulog.
Mama, may wheelchair pa yung bag mo.
may idol na agad.
Ay, pero wala ako napanood eh.
Ay, naku, Papa.
Teka, si Angel. Well. Yeah, they're here. Where are you? Ano tayo? Pata siya tayo papuntang employee parking lot. Oh, Daily 5 TV. Guess who's back? Mama, Press is back. Kasama mo si Pat. Oo, binalaglag.
Ay, hindi sasanin. Tapos, hawak mo si Prezi. Si Prezi hindi. Si Mama nga, sabi ba, no? Okay lang ba siya nakawin ang camera siya kasi
Saka nananakot
ako'y matagal
Home. Magdi-dinner na muna. Before we open the luggage and pasalubong. So, see you next time again. And don't forget to subscribe.